When was the first time you were told to be practical and stop daydreaming? Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset. As a life and business coach, I am passionate about you living a life that you love. It's not uncommon for people to come to me and say, I know I want more, but I don't know what that is. I was raised being told, don't dream, be practical, be realistic, stop daydreaming. So when they come to me, they feel quite defeated by that because they don't even know how to give themselves permission to dream. And maybe that's where you're at right now, where there's this desire for things to be different, but you don't know what to do with that, how to start dreaming. So today I want to give you some tools on how to get started. First of all, recognizing that each one of us has been gifted with this powerful mental faculty of our imagination. We're meant to imagine, we're meant to dream, to design things in our minds. And it's true that for many of us, when we were little kids, we were given permission to dream. But when we got to a certain age, we were told, be practical, be realistic, stop daydreaming, just repeat back what it is that I'm telling you, and then I'll tell you that you're smart. And that imagination has been trained out of us. So first of all, to know that you have a perfect imagination, but just like any muscle, we have to start using it again to build it. The question that we work with in the Mastery of Mind series is, what would you love? What would you love? It's a powerful way to get past the condition-based thinking. Notice the difference in asking, what would you love, versus what's practical, what's realistic, what would my parents want me to do, or my spouse, or my kids? What should I do based on my education, or how much money's in the bank account? When you ask, what would I love, and you put the how on hold, at this point, we're just interested in the what. It's a way to start using that muscle. Another way to start working on your vision and building that ability to dream is think about the times in your life where you were the most happy. What were you doing? Who were you with? And use that to help to build that picture of the things that you do love, that give you life, that feel expansive. And finally, start noticing when you're in conversations with people and you're hearing them say, "Oh, I just got back from this place," or "I just read this book," or "I just experienced this." And just notice within you if there's this spark of, "I would love that." And that's a great indicator of your own life energy, that that's something you would love. So start paying attention to the things that give you life. So what would you love? Maybe up until now you haven't given yourself permission to ask that question. But the best place to start is now. Start dreaming, start imagining, giving yourself permission to be curious. And if you would love some support in getting more clear about what you want, please feel free to reach out. I would love to have a conversation with you and support you in building that muscle once again, that imagination that exists within you innately. So no matter where you are on that journey today, maybe you've never given yourself permission to dream and you're just starting down this path, know that you are in the right and perfect place. It is never too late to start dreaming. Here is to your success.